Hi everyone.
Good morning, sir. Myself, Shashi K. I'm
Yeah.
from T. John College, first sem MBA.
Okay.
I wanted to ask about what kind of interview questions they ask about digital marketing.
Okay. So like so when it comes to digital marketing, people will raise the question like general if you are going as a fresher level. So people will ask question like what do you know about a digital marketing? So how you can generate lead for my business? Okay, for example, if you are going to meet a client first day, he will ask the question. So I'm right now in a traditional marketing. So when it comes to digital marketing, what are the platform you can able to generate lead for my business? Okay, this is the first question probably will ask you. So the platform was obviously like search engine optimization and Google advertisements, that is a PPC, and you can generate a lead from the Facebook and LinkedIn, Instagram, like a social media marketing. So these are the major subject where we can generate leads to our business. Okay. Uh, he may no. Then you will have the question like. For example, I'm doing that e-commerce business. So what is the which is the platform will help you in major getting the leads to my business? The answer was probably it's like Google Ads and social media marketing. Yes, SEO will take in a long time when you do for e-commerce business. So search engine optimization itself, it will take time around 6 month durations. For example, if you are a digital marketer or if you are working in a digital marketing agency, so the client always have the contract between you for a 6 month minimum. Okay. So especially when it comes to e-commerce portal, it will take long time. Sometimes it will take more than 6 months also. For example, if you are coming with a fresh domain, it will take more than 6 months also. So this is what a question initially will ask you. Then second, if it is a technical round, the people will ask you like in terms of SEO. Yeah, for example, what are the on-page activities you do for your? I can say like what is that on-page activities do for your SEO? Okay, the answer is obviously meta title, meta description optimization, meta keyword optimization, checking the Google page speed test and landing time, uh, probably optimizing your images and optimizing your content using the proper keywords. Like probably you can optimize your content H1 tags, H2 tags, uh, improving your content quality. So these are the on-page activities which we use to work on your on-page. Okay. Probably they might ask the question like about off-page activities, like what you do in off-page activities. Yeah, as you can tell that we have to publish our URL into the different portal, like kind of article submissions, or might be a bookmarking submissions, or might be like directory submissions, the kind of submission which you have to do. So like they will ask the question like, okay, how do you find this right website to promote your website? Okay, so can say the answer like, okay, before promoting your URL, you have to find a right, like you have to find the right website where I can promote. The website will have the very good page and domain authority. Okay, there are so many tools are available. There are so many tools are available which will help us to find a page and domain authority. So once you find a right page and domain authority, you can start promote your URL. So this may come with in terms of SEO and general questions. And if you have any particular concern, if you have any question in your mind, please raise that questions. I can able to help you on the session.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Hi, please. Any one of them will have that any kind of general questions, anything which is coming in your mind, please raise your hand and please ask me, talk to me. Or if you have to, if you like to discuss any particular topic in a digital marketing also, please, feel free to ask me. Like we can discuss the particular topic today. So, like if you like to have any general, yeah, please go ahead. Yeah.
Yes, if you have anything in particular, you can just ask him. Feel free. Don't waste time.
Any topic, any topic. Also, you can please tell me, like we discussed today, like about the particular topic. Pradeep, Sasi, Karthik, anyone you can raise your voice, like topic can be anything which is relevant to our subject, digital marketing. Feel free to ask me. Sanjay.
Okay, Viraj. Then let's go with your own flow. In the middle,
Okay,
they can interrupt and let them ask it. Okay.
okay.
Let's go
Like
with your own flow.
yeah. Probably today we will discuss something which will help you in terms of SEO to understand, much more better. Okay. Another question is really like if you have any concern also, please raise your voice. And also ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೂಡ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಅವೇ ಓಕೆ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್
Guys, if you want to ask doubts in Kannada also, he can help you. Okay. He knows Kannada as well.
ಯಾ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿ ಓಕೆ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಫೈನ್ so like it will be good for a time like whatever we are spending here it make like very good time for both of me and you so like probably uh, we will talk few things about SEO because and I think everyone will have that doubt ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಲೈಕ್ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ how this person is coming top how ಈ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ there are a couple of questions ಇರಬಹುದು ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ like we will discuss something okay and also I request to please raise your voice ಏನಾದ್ರು ನಿಮಗೇನಾದ್ರು ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೇನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ please raise your voice okay so I will share my screen okay I hope like everyone will see my screen. Okay. Now I just search something, anything. Okay. For example, anything which I'm searching from the Google search engine. Okay. For example, ಒಂದು question ನಾನು search ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. I'm not sure whatever it may be. When I search this new, you can able to understand here the result 720 triple zero results, which is coming in a 0.48 second. It makes sense like, okay, ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ತಿರೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಇಂದ ಇಷ್ಟು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ there are this much answer is coming in the line. Obviously, as the end user, what the end user will used to do, they will go with the top 5 6 website 1 2 3 like that as they will not go beyond that okay so no one will go and search bottom or no one will go that okay even I can say like even second page kuda yaru hogalla for example maximum we used to click on the top 3 or 4 results okay so that is the reason we are working with the search engine optimization end of the day Google itself it's one of the simple website okay Google itself it's a website so like when I'm using the Google yeah, like when I based on the search keyword I like to make my website to be top this is what we are doing here like because like ಈಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪೇಜಲ್ಲೋ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪೇಜಲ್ಲೋ ಈವನ್ 10th ಪೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇರ್ಬೋದು that won't make sense like no one is going to come no one is going to click your website this is what the concern here so ಹೇಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ how the things are coming in the top okay so when you think about how the things are coming there are two major activities will come one is something called on-page activities. One more is something called off-page activities. On-page activities ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಎಸ್ಸಿವದಲ್ಲಿ like before on-page and off-page activities. For example, tomorrow ನೀವು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು client meet ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, like client and ಕೂಡ like there is a somebody you are meeting, okay? So like ಯಾರು ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, they are giving certain things like okay ನಾನು ಈ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ, ಈ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಲೀಡ್ಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್, ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ದ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಆನ್ ದಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಓಕೆ ನಾನು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನನ್ನ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಹೌ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಸರ್ಚಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಕೀವರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ಲಾನರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, when I trying to sell something, let me open any keyword planner. I'm not sure like how many of them using that keyword planner. Again, if you have any question, I request to please ask. I can able to help you. So keyword planner is one of the best subject from the Google dashboard. It's a free of cost from the Google only. Here, I'm sitting in a Bangalore, for example. I trying to search like like what the people are searching which is relevant to anything, any domain, like any sales or service. For example, I put a word call and I'm selecting the Bangalore location or Karnataka location. Okay, say I like to find out how the people are searching in the market which is relevant to iPhone. Okay, then you can able to see there are 793 keyword ideas. Keyword ideas andre ಏನು? Say for example, there is no guarantee that my mindset and your mindset will be same, okay, because you will search in a different time, I will search in a different time. So terminology. So here if we come to that, you can see that people are around 90500 people are searching just like that iPhone. But if you see that iPhone 11 searched by 11000 results. Okay, it means what? So people who are searching iPhone, this iPhone 11 are searching more. It means based on this keyword, these are the major priority people are searching in the market since very recently. So this is what we need to understand first. Andre num business how the people are searching in the market andre like in a Google search engine. That is what our primary subject. Once we learn this concept, obviously it is going to be very good resource for you. Even if you are not doing that search engine optimization, if you are not doing the digital marketing, it should be a very active subject. It's a trending subject. If you put any actor also, you can come to know, like if you put any actor college, if you put something about like study, like for example your course, anything, if you search in the Google keyword planner, you may come to know that how that people are searching in the market. This is what a wonderful things about search engine, keyword planner. So it will give the clear picture about like how the people are searching about my product. So for example, if it is iPhone is my product, I can come to know that is okay, more people are searching about me like iPhone 11 and iPhone XR, iPhone SE, like that. Okay, this is the things which you have to understand. Once we fix the proper, like we need to understand first, okay, my business, this is what a top priority keyword. So these are the keyword or people are searching more, and that like we have to filter this. These are the keyword people are searching more. Once ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಕೀವರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ that we will work into that on-page optimization. On-page optimization ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, like how this work. Because again we will come back to our subject. When I search this keyword, how the people are coming in the top. So we're trying to understand the back-end process about the Google. Okay. Now, so first things we are doing the research based on this, how that people are searching in the market. On understand sigute, okay, ನಮ್ಮ business ಬಗ್ಗೆ like this is the way the people are searching in the market ಅಂತ ಒಂದು idea ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Second things, okay, I come to know, okay, these are the like this is the way people are searching in the market. This is the way people are searching in the Google search engine ಅಂತ ನಮಗೊಂದು idea ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Then we will start with the like on-page activity. On-page activities ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? See for example, I have any, let me show you. Let me take any one of this page. Okay. On page, it's all about that what you see in front of you. Okay. So, Ethan, I will come back to these things. How these people are coming in there, like Google has given some terms and conditions. What do you mean by terms and conditions? So Google is giving something, okay, if you want come to your website into be top, please keep the certain quality in your life. What are the qualities? So on pages, like these are the things which you have to keep. If you have any pages, keep small images, keep right keywords in the content, and keep very good speed. And I can say keep proper meta title and meta description. If you want, I can show some documents right away. I request to place one more time another doubts idre Kelly. I just in a base, I would like to explain how that tool is working. Okay, if you understand this concept, it may help you a lot. Okay, even if you are it's such a trending subject, it will help you in the different places also. Let's open it. One second. Okay, let's open. 1 minute. Okay. I just give some small ideas. Don't worry, don't be panicked. It's such a big thing. It's very, very simple. I would like to make you much more comfortable. So I'm just opening these documents. Maybe like, you feel that, okay, it's a big subject. Don't feel like that. It's very, very simple concept. I like to explain it. Okay. So now, as I told you, like Google, how that thinks it's coming down, top. So based on the keywords, ಹೇಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, how that Google, the certain website, it's coming on the top ಅಂತ. So Google has, ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದಂಗೆ, like there are couple of terms and conditions ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ from the Google. ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಎನಫ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಯುವರ್ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಟಾಪ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತೆ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಲೈಕ್ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಪೇಜ್ ಟೈಟಿಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ಸಮ್ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪೇಜ್, and you have to keep keywords. It has to be drop in the 100 words of the initially paragraph itself. I will like just show that example. For example, if you go to this any one of the website, just for example showing, for example, in case this is a website which you're trying to do the SEO, a particular top 100 words ಅಲ್ಲಿ it has to be keyword has to be arranged. And then mobile responsibility ಇದೆಯಾ, ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್, like page speed ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. I mean to say that okay, this is a page which you're going to work in for your SEO. Okay, this page have the very good page speed to land in a mobile and desktop. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ speed, it is good enough. Okay, fast ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ we have to work out few things, and we'll come back to this. Sorry. Sorry, close it 1 second. So these are the things like Google already they will give the clear picture about you. So these are the things. If you do this, obviously the Google will rank your website on the health. So we have to follow this structure. Obviously there is a doubt will come. So okay sir, ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ what will happen andre, see there are certain things we have to keep informing to a developer, okay, website developer. okay, I need this, anta we have to keep informing to the developer. So then whatever things you are expected to get changes, the developer will do the needful changes. Developer andre like maybe. So let me take example. This is the website which you are going to work on. Then what will happen? You talk to your developer and you make sure whatever things you want to get it done, everything can get it done from the developer. Because again, when you're trying to do this modification, you may not able to do everything from the initially. So probably like as a digital marketer, you have to coordinate with your website developer, you have to coordinate with your content writer, you have to coordinate with your graphic designer, and maybe you have to coordinate with your uh, video editor as well as. Okay, this we'll discuss one more time. So now the concern is okay, ಈ ಆನ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟಂದ್ರ couple of things Google is recommended ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ದು ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ will come in the top ಅಂದ್ರೆ it won't come. Again there is a, yeah, we can able to come, there is a like probably our website will come in the 4th page or 6th page or 7th page ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬರ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. For example, simple example ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, like when I searching for diploma in IFRS, whatever any keywords, obviously ಈ particular keywords ಅನ್ನೋದು SEO, like obviously it will be in the top. See, keywords, it has to be optimized in your title and description. One more thing to make sure, like you observe Madi, like whenever I'm searching the particular keywords, Alva, our keywords wherever it is coming in the description, this is we can call as a description. In description, it will be get highlighted. That particular keyword ACCA, I'm putting that ACCA, it's become highlighted. So whatever things you can see the bold Alva, which is relevant to this, okay, which is relevant to this. So this is what a page title. I'm not sure, like maybe if you are aware, if you have any concern, please raise your hand so I can go in depth, or like just understand how the way it's a Google is working. Okay, first things. So once we did all the scenario in terms of on-page activities, okay, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ again our website will come in the top immediately, ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾ it won't come. The second thing, something called off-page activities. Off-page activities ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Very simple example ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, say for example, there is a one business shop which open in your location. Okay, maybe it's kind of any shop or like anything like mall, anything, the business open agide nam location ali. So how we are making awareness to the local people? Okay, because when we start initially alva, no one will knows about our shop. So how we are making awareness? So initially ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕದ pamphlets create ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, like they will create small pamphlets and they will distributing in a different ways. How the way they distributing is, for example, on 100 pamphlets print out ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, so they will distributing like for example, I'm going somewhere, like they will giving me like 25 pamphlets. Okay, you can distribute in your location, and the company they have that another 50 pamphlets they keep in front of the any coffee shop or small another ಅಂಗಡಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, and the remaining 25 they are taking, someone is taking, like there is a Raju or Kannan, someone is taking in charge, he is distributing that another 25. So the 100 pamphlets ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, distributed by 3 persons. Okay, me and one is a shop and one is there is a ABC person. Okay, end of the day 100 pamphlets ಅಲ್ಲಿ like ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ just ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ, even we are taking that pamphlet just ನೋಡಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಬಿಸಾಕ್ತಿವಿ. Okay, then how many people are just reading that? Out of 100 people, there may be a chances of around 25 to 30 people just they read that. Okay, just note that, but okay, something. Okay, at least 10 people, they'll just keep the paper inside the pocket, they may get back you later. This is the way it will happen in a real time. So link building code, I can say that off-page activities or off-page technologies or link building, there is a three things are same, there won't be any changes, three things are same. So here link building code the same concept. Okay, say for example, I can say that for one URL for you, like I just give some example. Okay, this URL, this is the URL which we are going to work. This URL has to be promoted in a different website. This is what our subject used to do. So for example, I'll just copy. This URL has to be promoted in a different website. This is the subject for you to do in a link building. Then what we have to do, we have to find the different website. This URL has to be promoted in a different website. This is what we can call as a off-page activities or link building. Once if you keep on doing that work, automatically Google will help us to increase your listing. Okay. ಇನ್ನ ಇನ್ ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಗೂಗಲ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡೇ, ಓಕೆ ಈ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಶೇರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಓಕೆ this person, this particular website have the potential information. That is the reason it is shared in the different places. Okay, ಇನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೀವೇನೋ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಏನೋ ಓದ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಲೈಕ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಆರ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್, ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ somewhere else like news portal or YouTube ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಬಂದಿದೆ. Immediately what we used to do, probably if it is we are interested, we are sharing in a Facebook or Instagram, like LinkedIn may not be, but we are sharing in our Facebook and social media like any platform. So why we are sharing, we are interested, we are impressed with that article. Okay, that is the reason we are sharing in that. So the same way, as a digital marketer, as a SEO executive, we are trying to share that particular URL into the different places. Okay, then Google will find out the answer. Okay, ಈ particular URL ಅನ್ನೋದು different places ಅಲ್ಲಿ share ಆಗಿದೆ. Okay, then it means this has a potential information, so I can help him to make in a top position ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, I hope so I can able to give you the rough idea about how the Google is working in the background. So first things, Google is giving some set of terms and condition. This set of terms and condition will make it very clear. Okay, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ you keep this kind of quality in that website. What are the quality? Like it has to be a proper page title, description, and you have to optimize the content, and keyword has to be added into the content, and image has to be optimized, and it should be a mobile friendly, and it should not be like, for example, ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು when it's going to digital marketing interview. Okay, okay, average landing time, okay, if you are giving any URL, average landing time ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ up to 6 seconds maximum. Okay, beyond the 6 seconds it's not recommended. Okay, that may be one question that people will ask you. Okay, so within this 6 seconds it has to be land for end user. These are the steps which will make it very clear for on-page activities. Okay, so that Google will have the idea, okay, this person have the potential, very good information, and also it has a very good website. Okay, it's a very user friendly, it's very good quality, everything. Google will find all the steps. So they will check that, okay, this is everything, it's good. Okay, then Google will help us to increase one more questions. I can say like, okay, maybe instead of 5th pages, like we may come at 4th pages something. Like we are talking about not the position, we are talking about page. Literally it will come top. Then what it has to be done? Then what is the next step? Then Google will think that e particular URL, okay, that where the content have the particular URL, yes, place a promote ಆಗಿದೆ. I can say that yes, the places how many how many times it's promoted in a different website ಅಂತ ನೋಡುತ್ತೆ. Okay, this website has shared in the more than 10,000 website. In the sense what? Okay, ಈ website another such a familiar website. The people are frequently using, and also people are frequently sharing in their portal. So that have the very good potential information and the Google will indirectly decide that. Okay, there is no human over there because that is also end up their own machine. Okay, Google also like work with AI, so that okay, they think that okay, this URL have shared in more than I can say like 1,000 or 2,000 places. For example, yes, it is a good account. Yes, it is a good account. Then Google will literally promote your question in the top. It will come in the second, it will come in the first, like this. Okay, in that, even if you like to explain me one more time, just make sure I'll just give some ideas. So let me take our example, the same scenario. I think if you're going to work with a particular URL, just I open any one of the website. Okay, I try to promote my URL over here. Okay, I just create a post. just giving some basic ideas about the link building. Okay, now I just put that particular URL. One second. Just for example, I'm just doing that. After that, I just start posting. Sorry for that. One second. Okay, just when I'm trying to post here, what is happening actually in that website, REDDIT, this is one of the link building website. We shared our URL that it's became one of the link building. Now, how the Google will consider that, okay, this person URL is shared in the different one more website. It is added value for the this particular website. This is the way Google SEO will work. So as much as you do the link building, as much as you keep the very good quality of your website pages, the Google will consider in the top right. This is a way that overall Google SEO will work. I request to please anyone have a small doubt also, please ask me. Even have small doubts, then please hail it, then it will help us to work out more. Anyone have any doubts, like anything like which is coming in your mind, like how that Google will work and how the way that interaction is happening, anything. Okay, this is some basic idea which I would like to share with you today. This is the way these things are working, Google. Anyone will have any other doubts, like anything about like digital marketing or SEO, general question also, please ask me. It will help us to give some next information which will help you for that type thing. At least please put in your chat if you have anything like yes or no, also it will help us to understand and we'll discuss better on that. It will help you, like this kind of information will help you a lot, for any region. Like it is not belonging to your qualification, it will be the general information. Will have the lot of information. Anyone have any doubts, like anything, like please free to ask me. It will help us. We are a very small team right now, around 10 people we are sitting here. So you can raise your voice, like it's very good for us, everyone. Like if we have around 5 to 6 class your friends, we are meeting over here. Please don't hesitate, don't feel something. Any other question, anything, please ask me. Or like whatever things we discussed, the difference and other like to discuss me also, please raise your voice. I think so. There is no response. Kindly please reply me at least in a chat. It will help me to understand that. If you're using the mobile or if you're using that laptop, just say the chat, it will help.
Okay, can you just go ahead with next topic, any small topic?
Okay, sure.
We'll have this doubt session in the last.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Okay, fine. So next topic, we'll discuss something about the Google AdWords. Okay, just I would like to discuss few things about Google AdWords. Now the concern is what we discussed in a search engine optimization. Uh, it will when you're trying to do the search engine optimization, it will take duration of minimum 6 months, 4 months, more than 4 months, 5 months like that. Okay. So now, tomorrow that business owner will ask you that question like he won't get more leads instantly. Okay? He's not ready to wait for 6 months. He's not ready to invest for another 6 months or 1 year like that. Okay. Then the next very good concept is a Google AdWords. So Google AdWords, what kind of advertisement we can do with that? Say for example, let me open it. Say for example, I said something. Let me go with the same keyword. So when I search this keyword, you can see that how many advertisements are coming. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now this company name Magic Drinks it's coming at the first position from the SEO. But if you are opening the business tomorrow, if you have own website, so if you want to keep your website like that, it will take the duration of minimum almost 7 months, 6 7 months, more than 7 months. Then the concern is okay, business, they cannot wait for another 7 months. Okay, that we will go with the Google advertisement. Google advertisements like you will get a instant results. Okay, like if you start doing that marketing, so probably ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಏನೇನೋ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ please do search and research on that again. Like when you search in this, always there are a couple of results will come here in the top, which will show that small dot ad. Ad in the sense it's clearly mentioned that advertisement. But the question is activities, he will come to know this is advertisements. So, but when it comes to like other common audience, they will not come to know about your, like it is advertisement, it is a non-advertisement like that. Because usually the people will start click here. So because as that everyone think that the whatever it's coming in the top, it's became very good response. So immediately everyone will start click over here. Okay, this is what one example I can say that. So now when we do the Google AdWords, what will happen immediately? We can get a results. Today, if you are posting the advertisements, people start clicking your advertisements 1, 2, 3, 4. If anyone will click that, it's become a lead for them. How that advertisement is happening in that? Okay, for example, first things Google, like this person, this company have that tie up with the Google. They will tell that I will pay 50 rupees when you, for example, I will pay 50 rupees or 40 rupees. Okay. When someone search for my keyword, you can show the advertisements like that. Once again, please hold on. Yeah, sorry. So now the concern is like Google have the tie-up with the Google search Google. So there's someone who search for my keyword, buy a 2 BHK in Bangalore. You can show my advertisements like that. So this is a way that the things will happen initially. So like whenever there's someone search for this keyword, if I'm clicking this advertisement, Google will collect from him almost to maybe like it's more than 100 rupees, 200 rupees, three, or up to 200 rupees also will be there sometime. There is no guarantee. It's based on the duration. How that competition is happening. It's a kind of people will call it say Google betting. Google betting in the sense there is your competitor will bid for another 600 100 rupees, then probably you will go with the 100 rupees, like 105 rupees, like that. It's a betting, like people who pay more, those people will come in the top, like the concept. Okay, so this is a way that things will happen. Now we'll come back to the subject. So the Google AdWords will, you can see that different places. Obviously, when you work in that YouTube channel, when you search for any videos in YouTube, you can see the skip advertisement. That is also kind of Google advertisement. This is what another Google advertisement. And I can say, like, if you go for any different website where you can able to see that. For example, I hope this is the maybe you are using this website called Speed Test. When you're facing any internet issues, probably everyone start using the speed test. You need to find that internet speed here. Let me open this website. I will show you. So I just coming into this website simply, like I just come to this website to find my speed in the internet. You can see that obviously within the like few seconds. Let's open this website. You can see the couple of advertisements just showing to me from the LinkedIn, the top, left, and right, and bottom as well as from the LinkedIn. From the LinkedIn, they are showing the advertisements to me. And you can see the Columbia Business Schools also showing the advertisements to me. So like obviously what you used to do, just if you is trying to close that, this ads by Google, stop seeing this advertisement. Why I'm seeing this advertisement, this you can say that. It means, so Google is doing the display marketing to me. This is what something called display ads. This is something called display ads. This is something people will call as a search advertisements. Just we'll discuss something about what kind of advertisement will possible from the Google. For example, this is something called search advertisement. This is something called display advertisements, what you see in front of you. And obviously if you go to the YouTube, you can see the skip advertisement. Everyone, we can see that skip advertisement. This is something called video advertisements. And you can see there is another category, something called shopping ads. Shopping ads in the sense, like I put like, so you can see this is something called shopping ads. You can see here also you can see the ADS ads. Ad shop iPhone 11. So like people are showing different e-commerce people, they are showing that advertisements. So this is something called shopping advertisements. Okay. So this is a major priority advertisement which is happening in the Google advertisement. One is something called search advertisement. Second, something called display advertisement. Third one, something called video advertisements. Fourth one, something called shopping ads. Probably you can able to understand right now what are the things are happening. So like how the things are happening. So now maybe you are aware of that earlier, maybe you are worked earlier. This is the way that advertisement is happening from the Google. Now someone search for this product directly, probably directly they buy from this session, and someone search for any other platform, like I can say, just hold on 1 minute. Yeah, fine, sir. So now this is a way like Google will do the advertisements for you. Again, you understand the business, like what and all we can do, how we can do everything. Okay. For example, if you are working with the e-commerce portal, probably you can go with the shopping ads, will help you like get more clicks on this your portal. And when you work for uh, kind of like any real estate agency, you can go with the search advertisement, will help you get more business to you. If you like to go with the branding in the sense what, like only that people you are making them aware of the product. So branding will not give much more results. I can say like results in the sense is revenue business. Obviously, like everyone, we are seeing the advertisements in YouTube, and we are not buying from that, but still immediately we skip the advertisement while watching the video. So that is a branding advertisement. So this is also kind of branding advertisement. I came to here to check my internet speed, but they are showing the advertisements again. So it make me remember about the product. It make me like, okay, this is a product which is happening, like all the stuff. This is a way that marketing is happening from the Google AdWords, search advertisement, display advertisements, and video advertisement and shopping ads. This is the four chapter where you can generate leads from the Google advertisement. Okay, this is the way that will happen. And yeah, this is a just basic introduction about your stuff. Like, probably I can able to help you with much more. I request to please raise your voice if you have any concern. We'll discuss it. So this is the way actually the Google ads will work in a real time. Okay, so for channel where we can generate the lead for your business. Any other topic we'll discuss today, or we'll discuss some other days? Like, I think Ramkrishna, you like.
There is no specific area you want to touch. If anybody has any specific area you want to go through, you can ask him now. Please, at least you can post it in the chat if you have any.
Yeah, please, everyone, like, if you have anything, please add. At least it will help us to talk. So,
If you're hesitant to talk, you can just post it in the chat.
there is nothing will be there. We are just 4 5 people are sitting here. So please raise your voice and ask me any questions. Okay. Yeah, anyone have any concern? Please ask me and please talk to me. Nothing to be. ನೀವು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ I can able to help you. Okay, because I hope so. Like, since you are coming into the session, maybe you have a lot of things. Like you can just coming with things, but you are not trying. You can ask me the question. Like, I'm comfortable with maybe like any entry questions. What do you think in mind? Like, when you talk to someone, like they raise any questions. ಆ ರೀತಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ, please. I think so many. I mean, we have like Asha, Karthik, Nida, Pradeep, Sanjay, Sasi. Anyone, please raise your hand and that is talk to me. That It will help us to understand something good.
Okay, then if you want to touch upon any small topics, you can then we can then go through it, and we can wrap up the session.
Okay, fine. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Okay. What else we'll discuss? Small topics such like okay. We'll discuss few things about the social media. Like when it comes to we discuss obviously everyone we are using that Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube are the channels. Like how that Facebook and Instagram actually it's a both together single platform. As a end user, what you see it's entirely different. As when it comes to business, it's like both together it's a single platform. Okay. So I just scroll down from the profile. Okay, I just scroll down from my profile. So you can able to see that how that advertisement has come to my website. Okay, just time scroll down with it. It's just like that my profile. You can see there is advertisement from the Click app. Okay, you can see something called sponsor. Wherever you see the sponsor, this is the advertisement for you. It means they are targeted my profile. Okay, they are targeted my profile. They are showing the advertisements to me. This is the way it will work. Okay, you can also do this kind of marketing, but still we'll discuss something like basic idea about like how the things it's working, but implementation maybe will happen in the next classes or something we will do it. Okay, so how the things is happening, for example, if you go to the right side corner you can see the three dots. If you click here, you can able to see that why I'm seeing these advertisements. Okay, probably if I click that why am I seeing these advertisements, you may come to know that how that businessman is targeted you. So ClickApp is trying to reach the people who watch the video from their Facebook page, or ClickApp is trying to reach the people who are interacted with the Facebook page. ClickApp is trying to reach the people who speak English, UK and English. US, like ClickApp is trying to reach the people age 25 and older. Okay, this may be that reason how they are targeting me. This is a way we can able to target the end user also. For example, if you are selling any product, okay, for example, if you are selling any Samsung mobile, then you can target the audience, the person who's like age between 25 to, for example, I'm giving ideas like age between 20 to 35, and people who are studying in this college, people who are coming from this education background. So you can target in a different ways. Okay, this is a way that Google Facebook ads will work. So Facebook ads, you have to target the right audience to for your business. And for example, before starting the advertisement, you have to make sure what the product we are selling. For example, this is something a tool which will help me in a landing page. And uh, the right audience may be like whatever they're selected. So this may be like age about 25, or maybe like people, the person who's sitting in a Bangalore like that. Just I will scroll down some couple of advertisements. Like this is, you can see the other advertisements. Okay, you can see here the words of millionaire like mindset program. There is an ABC program which is happening, and you can see that ticket at the price something. Again, if I'm going to see that, why I'm seeing this advertisement? Want to reach people who may they similar that customers, and trying to reach the age between 25 to 52, and trying to reach the people who are primary location in India. So any case, maybe I'm I didn't watch their pages, but this may be the one of the reason, or this may be the secondary reason how they are targeted me. Okay, the same way we can able to target your audience. Before doing that advertisement, you have to make sure everything like what is your right audience, where I can show the advertisement. What is the special things will happen here? So if you go to my profile, I have around 400, for example, 400 friends here. So when I post something, only my friends can able to see. So if I want to target the broad audience, for example, I'm sitting in a kind of Bangalore, okay? Like probably I'm sitting in a Bangalore right now. I trying to talk to the people who sitting in a Bangalore. Like I can show the advertisement, the person who using that Facebook and Instagram in a Bangalore location. So I can target the based on the location. Again, I can target the based on their interest. I can target the based on their profile or whatever, like education and like what interest they're showing interest in relevant product. All the stuff I can able to target the audience. This is a way that actually the basic the ads which is working right now. So and probably the setup things maybe it will take few times, and probably if you have the chance, like next time we will meet it. And also if you have anything also, if you can tell me, only I can able to give the proper ideas for you, because this is a very good session, will help you a lot. So because if you like to understand more about anything also, please raise your voice so that we can help you out on it. Okay, because there's a basic idea about how that Facebook it's working. Facebook will initially, so we have to work with the Facebook, like I think this something called Facebook ad manager, where we can run the advertisement, where we can fix the price and everything. For example, let me open this ad copies for you. Okay, let me open this campaign. This is something basic. I'm not sure whether you used to, I mean, you didn't use, but just I like to give some idea. So this is my campaign work. Let me open to that. Just open any one of the ads. There's the ads which I'm going to for end users. See, this is the ads which I'm showing to the end user. Let it come. So this is the ads which I'm showing to the end user. You can see the sponsored demo. This is a way, like the ads will go for end user. This is what we are writing the content. When they click here, they can able to come to, they can able to give the basic details, name and phone number and the email ID. Then we were trying to contact them that, sir, we received your contact number from the Facebook. So like like if you are interested about this program or something, you can able to work out. This is the way the things will work. Okay, this is the dashboard where we are using. Probably this, if you are interested, you can let them know. Next time we will discuss about this, how we can generate this kind of uh, this is a cost per leads around 147 rupees. There is a 29 leads which we download from this Facebook, and we reached around 19,000 people. It means we are showing that we're trying to reach that 19,000. That impression is level is 22949. It means there are this much people have watched my image. I can say that advertisement. So this is a basic idea about like how the Facebook ads is working. Uh, Probably it will take few times, some time to set up all the account setup and all. Okay. So probably we'll discuss, we'll see that how we, when we have that time, we can discuss about this stuff. Okay. I think if you have any concern, please ask me, or we will see that any other topic we'll discuss next time, or we will maybe we can wrap the session today. Okay, fine. Yeah, we'll see that.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm signing off.
Okay.
Thank you very much for your.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Everyone, thanks guys. Thanks for attending. Bye.